Automated trend strategies have a fatal vulnerability. They execute perfectly in straight lines, but shatter the moment momentum dies and markets stop trending. When an asset enters a sideways, ranging environment, standard directional algorithms misread the noise. They detect a slight uptick in price, flag it as a valid breakout, and immediately fire a buy signal, only for the price to reverse back into the range. Mathematically, this creates a relentless cycle of false positives. The system repeatedly buys the local top, sells the local bottom, and bleeds capital in a steady death by 1,000 cuts. To solve this, we can analyze an empirical Python-based algorithm engineered specifically to identify and ignore market chop. We ran the system on Solana perpetual futures, operating across 13 months of strict out-of-sample data. This graph compares the raw asset against the system's outcome. Over that specific 13-month period, a simple buy-and-hold strategy on Solana plummeted exactly 45%. In the exact same conditions, the algorithmic system generated a 102% cumulative return, operating with severely restricted drawdowns. That outsized yield is not derived from a predictive indicator. It is entirely the byproduct of the algorithm's ability to identify low-probability environments, sit on its hands, and filter out the noise. Robust algorithmic systems require a strict multi-layered filtration architecture and continuous dynamic optimization. We will build this system from first principles. We will stack the technical indicator logic layer by layer, define the dynamic risk parameters, and examine the walk-forward optimization engine used to test it. Designing a profitable algorithm is the act of constructing a logical sieve, one relentlessly calibrated to discard weak signals, until only the highest probability setups execute. Let's build the entry logic for a long trade. We start by looking at a chart of raw, unfiltered price action. Before a system can trade a trend, it needs to measure baseline direction. We track this using the directional movement indicators, the positive DI and negative DI. When positive DI crosses above negative DI, it confirms momentum has shifted bullish. But relying on this crossover alone is a trap. Directional momentum indicates which way the price is drifting, but it provides zero data on the actual strength behind that move. We decouple our measurements by adding the average directional index, or ADX. The ADX is an oscillating line ranging from 0 to 100 that measures trend velocity independent of price direction. If a trend is aggressive, regardless of whether it is bullish or bearish, the ADX rises. This establishes our first programmatic gate. The algorithm is instructed to completely ignore all DI crossovers unless the ADX line sits strictly above the 25 threshold. By forcing strength to validate direction, the system automatically filters out flat, low-momentum environments where false breakouts occur. Even with those filters, the logic can fail. This chart shows a scenario where the ADX is strong and the DI crosses perfectly, but the price immediately collapses into a false breakout. Price action and momentum metrics can be heavily manipulated during periods of low liquidity. To confirm the move, the algorithm requires a volume-based validation layer. We introduce on-balance volume. OBV tracks the cumulative historical flow of buying pressure versus selling pressure to see if capital is actively entering the asset. To make this data actionable, we apply a 100-period simple moving average directly to the OBV graph. If the current OBV line is sitting above this average, it proves the asset has sustained historical volume support. The absolute entry criteria for a long position is now set. The system executes a trade on the next candle only if all three conditions precisely align. ADX is strictly above 25, positive DI is above negative DI, and OBV sits above its 100-period moving average. This three-lock mechanism severely restricts the algorithm, ensuring capital is only deployed when trend velocity, momentum, and volume flow sit in absolute mathematical consensus. Moving from entry logic to exit architecture, relying on static, fixed percentage stop losses in highly volatile crypto markets is a quick way to get stopped out by normal price chop. Instead, the algorithm prices risk dynamically using the average true range, or ATR. This metric quantifies the exact volatility footprint of the asset at the specific moment of entry. This chart visualizes the precise stop-loss formulation. We map the closing price of the signal candle, and we draw the exit threshold down, minus exactly 2 times the ATR value.
The take-profit target is calculated directly from that dynamic stop. We establish a rigid 1.5 to 1 risk-to-reward ratio. The target is placed exactly 1.5 times the size of the stop-loss. If any subsequent candle closes beyond that defined take-profit level, the system triggers the exit execution to secure the yield. Linking the take-profit targets directly to an ATR base ensures the system's risk parameters adjust to the immediate market conditions, automatically expanding during high volatility spikes and tightening when the market flattens out. We have built the static logic rules, but if we permanently solidify the variables inside those rules, the system will eventually fail, because market regimes continuously shift. Running these rules through an optimizer once and locking them in creates a fatal flaw known as curve fitting. Algorithms that are over-optimized to past historical anomalies will print perfect backtests on paper, but they bleed capital the moment they encounter unseen, live market conditions. The quantitative solution is walk-forward analysis, executed here via the Freqtrade Python environment. This diagram illustrates a timeline of historical data, cleanly separated into a training block and an adjacent, unseen testing block. The system runs a continuous iterative loop. It tests parameter combinations, like adjusting the ADX threshold or the OBV moving average lengths, on the training block. It then blindly tests the best-performing metrics on the unseen out-of-sample block. The engine then slides forward chronologically and repeats the process. This solves the curve-fitting problem. Walk-forward analysis prevents the strategy from memorizing history, forcing the algorithmic parameters to continuously adapt to recent shifts in macro volatility. This dashboard displays the full logic flow alongside the system's outcome after 13 months of strictly out-of-sample testing. The final result is a 102% cumulative return. That output is a direct result of the system's structural strictness. The algorithm executed an average of merely 2.8 trades per month, and limiting the maximum losing streak to just 2 months. The strategy delivered strong consistency, remaining net profitable in 9 out of 13 months, successfully operating through a broadly bearish macro environment. Elite quantitative systems do not rely on esoteric mathematics. They survive and generate yield by combining sensible, uncorrelated data filters with dynamic risk pricing, ruthlessly validated by continuous out-of-sample stress testing.